average sales price for the Greater Annapolis area is up to $520,000, a 16.2% change from last year at this same time. It's Friday, December 17th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Overall, the area has seen a 6.5% increase in prices across the board year to date. Combined with the inventory constraints, buyers continue to be challenged with finding a home and are still running into multiple offers on homes that are priced right. Prices in the 21401 zip code had the biggest increase in sales price, up 9.3% to $529,500 year to date. 21403 is next with price growth to $468,700, reflecting a 6.5% increase in price. 21409 is up 5.2% to $459,000. All of these increases are well ahead of the normal market appreciation, so sellers have done well for another year in a row. Combined with the lowest interest rates, buyers have actually done quite well despite the higher price points, so I see that as a win-win for both sides of the transaction. Let's look at what's happened with the inventory since last week's report. 12 homes are coming soon, which is down. 16 homes were newly listed for sale, down by 1 from last week. 13 went under contract, also down from last week's report. 30 are temporarily off the market, trending upwards. 18 moved to pending. This is up from last week. 47 homes settled over the past week, and this is almost 3 times the number from last week's report. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was this waterfront home in Millville on Mill Creek for $2 million. That's where the market is this week for Friday, December 17th, 2021. Be sure to check out the many holiday events happening around the area, both virtually and in person, at www.kbartonrealtor.com. Do you know of an event that should be added to our calendar? Shoot me a message with the details. That's it for today, Annapolis. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next week. Take care.